Today in this video we are going to make very beautiful and amazing flower using satin ribbon. Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty sewing channel. To make this flower, here I am taken 1-inch satin ribbon. This flower contains 2 layers. Layer with 3 petals, another layer with 7 petals. First take the 3 ribbon pieces which is having the length 6 centimeters. Now take the 7 ribbon pieces which is having the length 7 centimeters. Now take 1 ribbon piece, fold it into half as lengthwise and give a curved cut as shown here on both ends. Now give a heat touch up to the both ends of the ribbon piece as shown here. Here the beauty of the flower depends on the way we are giving heat touch up to the edges. Do the same procedure for all the ribbon pieces. Now take the needle along with thread. Now take the ribbon piece which is having the length 7 centimeters and fold the ribbon as shown here. Take another ribbon piece which is having the same length, fold it into half, place the ribbon as shown here and give running stitch. Continue this process until all the same length petals are over. Flower looks very nice. You can use this flower for baby frocks, dresses, brooch works, hair accessories, etc. You should definitely try this flower. If you have any doubts or suggestions, let me know in the comments regarding this flower. After completion of stitching, pull the thread from the both ends, give secure knot and trim out the extra thread. Similarly, do the same procedure with the 3 petals. Now apply glue in the 7 petal layer as shown here. Place the 3 petal layer in the middle. Now beautiful flower is ready. To make the leaf, here I am taken 1.5 inch satin ribbon in the centimeters 3.5. and length of the ribbon is 5 centimeters. Now fold the ribbon into half as shown here and give a curved cut to get the leaf shape. Get the leaf type impression, do the procedure as shown here. Now leaf part is completed. Now it's time to attach leaf and flower. Now apply glue on the leaf as shown here and stick it to the back side of the flower. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe for more upcoming and beautiful videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.